getting here from even the entrance, you can see all these black soot from the smoke. So we are the one that opened this place. So these are everywhere is the dust. These are cobwebs. So everywhere the black smoke. So this cobweb. And the only damage is coming from here. The inverter is still on. It's on EPS waiting. So I'm thinking either it's from the AC in or the AC out. I'm thinking it's from the AC in. Because if it's from the AC out, this inverter would have tripped. Because there is no short circuit. Once there is short circuit, this inverter would have tripped. So I'm thinking it's from the AC in. So that's it. It's from the AC in. That's what I'm thinking. Because this is the earthing too. This is the damage from here. And this is it. It's from the AC in. So this is this place. This is the beginning of the wood setting. And then the enclosure melts completely. The enclosure. That's what causes smoke. This damage. So, and when it was melting, that's when it was dropping here. As the enclosure is melting, look, we are lucky that this battery is IP65 because it melts through the cover at the top. This is it. So what I will do now, I will up the AC in. Because we noticed this yesterday night when the thing stopped charging, I said one inverter is not full, but it has stopped charging. So what I will do, I will still leave the system one.